Okay, the 22nd question. These are simple questions on substitutions. If you're good at it, you can be good at all your topics. This is 2 minus 2 into minus 3 square. So that is 2 minus 2 into 9. That is 2 minus 18. So this is minus 16. Now please be aware of this. Some people simply subtract these two together, okay? So this 2 is in product with this minus 3 square. So try to be cautious about that. Now the 26th, that is 2x square minus 3y square, okay? So if x is minus 3, 2x is going to be minus 6. And if y is 2, 3y is going to be 6. So this is 6 square. So that is going to be 36 minus 36. So that is going to be equal to 0. Okay. Yeah, please ask me if there is any problem. Then 30th question. This is x over y. Now this is minus 3 over 2. So you can write it as minus 3 over 2. Now here you must remember that if it was, sometimes you have 3 over minus 2, or sometimes you have minus 3 over 2. They are all the same. You can even write it as minus 3 over 2. Okay? So this is minus 3 over 2, or if you want, you can write it as minus 1.5. Okay? Or you can write minus 1 whole 1 over 2 as well. Now this 34th question, this is 2y square. We have already done that. Y is 2, so 2y is 4. So the 4 square is 16. It is not 8. Again, that is a very common mistake. People, like, while squaring, they just say this is 4 times 2, that is 8. No, 4 square actually means it is 4 times 4. So that is going to be 16. Now this 38th question here, that is x y squared. So your x is minus 3, your y is 2, and there is a square. So this should be minus 3 into 4. Minus 12. So this is minus 12. Okay. And the last one, 42, that is 10 minus 2x whole square.
10 minus 36 is equals to 26.
10 minus, this is minus
36.
square. So 10 minus 36, so that is minus 20. That is the last part's answer. Okay. Okay, now we have this first A into B plus C. So that is 4 into B is minus 2, and then plus this minus 3. Okay. So this is 4. What is minus 2 plus minus 3? What should be their sum? Kyun bhai, Hassan? Minus 2 and minus.
Sir,
What is the sum of minus 2 and minus?
minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay. We're summing them up. This is minus 5. So this is going to be minus 20. Okay. Fifth.
Minus 9.
This is c squared into b minus 2a. Now c squared. Achha, now this should be your norm now, that, like, you see that this c is minus 3. So when you will square this has to become positive. So very, very good students, very brilliant students, they have a habit that whenever they have to square a number which is minus, okay, so they don't bother to write that as minus, because they know that when they square minus 3, it is same as the square of 3. So you must remember that minus 3 square is going to result as 9, okay? So I'll be writing this as 9, directly 9. Okay, now B is minus 2, and 2A is 8. So this is minus 8. So this is 9 into minus 10. That is going to be minus 90. Okay, and then the ninth question, this is b square plus a. Now again, b square, look at this b is minus 2. So I know that when I have to square this will simply be 4. There is no need to write that minus 2 square. So this is 4 and then plus 2 into minus 2 and then plus this a. So this is, sorry, a is 4, okay? A is 4. So this is going to be 4 minus 4 plus 4. So these are cancelled. So your answer is 4.
Yeah, clever up for us. Minus 17.
No problem, no problem. Let me try this. The 13th question. In the 13th question, we have square root of this AB. If A is 4, B is minus 2, then what should be AB? Now we should be skipping some steps here. If A is 4, B is minus 2, so AB, this AB should be written as minus 8. Okay? And C square, that is 9. So this is plus 9. There is a plus and then there is C square. So your answer is under root 1, that is going to be 1. Okay? So there is a very common problem here with the square root. Some people believe that whenever you take the square root, you have to write a plus minus. So you have to write plus minus if you have a situation like this. Please note it down. Suppose you have x squared equal to 4. And now you are yourself applying the square root on it. So if you apply this square root yourself, then you have to write it as plus minus 2. But if there is already a square root, as we have in this 13th question, then there is no need to write a plus minus. So if there is a plus with this, so this will remain plus. If it was, suppose, if it was minus, minus, so this will remain as minus. Okay? And then I should remove all of this so that we can do these questions here. Let's do these 17, 18, 19, and 20th questions. Okay? These are
17 the answer
yeah, I want you people to do these questions now. Okay, this is k squared into 2m minus n. So this time your k is minus 3, so k squared would be 9. So the 17th, this is 9 into 2m, that is 2, and n is minus 4. This is minus into minus. Whenever there is a minus number and there is a minus before that, it's better to use brackets. So it's 9 into 2 plus 4. So that will be 9 into 6. So that is 54. Ayan, साथ हो ना बेटा आप? Yes?
54.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
साथ रहना है. तो थोड़ा सा तुम्हें करके दिखा रहा हूँ साथ साथ, ताकि थोड़ा सा अगर तुम्हें कहीं परेशानी हो, you can check your answer and try to go a bit faster than me. Okay? थोड़ा सा slow जा रहा हूँ, आप थोड़ा तेज तेज चलो आगे. So 5m, 5 into 1, and then the square root of k squared. So I'll write 9 here, then there is plus
16.
and I'll write 16 here. Okay, so this is 5 into the square root of 25.
ऐसे रहेगा
And this is going to be 5 into 5, that is 25. Good students always know the squares of the first 20 numbers. You must know the squares of the first 20 numbers and the cubes of the first 6 numbers at least, okay? Try to learn them by heart. Squares and the cubes. Okay. So you try this 19th and the 20th questions.